What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fuelent. Today we've got an unbucketing, is what I'm calling it, of Adam's Polishes. They recently opened up a retail store location in Anaheim. And we went over there, we bought a whole bucket that we're gonna open up for you right now. So let's get into it. So real quick, before we actually get into it, I just need to let you guys know, this is a mystery bucket that we purchased and we added more items into it. So just bear that in mind as we go through everything. But starting it off with a Ultra Plush drying towel. These are gonna be really exciting to use, but it's a towel. Single soft polishing towel. So Ultra Plush and then single soft. Interesting. So just right off the bat, you can see that the fibers are a little bit longer on the single soft. And then you have an interior scrubbing mitt, which I've never used one of these before. So it's gonna be curious to use. And then we've got a t-shirt. Now here's the thing though, I am a big boy. So this is not for me. But we got a t-shirt, and this is cool because it's their SoCal shirt. So I'm just gonna put that right on there. The goodies. So this is Adam's detail spray. So we learned when we went to our trip, we learned that Adam's actually started out here in LA, and they moved out to, I believe it is Colorado. And so with the opening of the retail location in Anaheim, this is more of a coming back home. So if you look at the bottle of the detail spray, it shows welcome home. And we thought that was a pretty cool little touch there from the company. And we actually have quite a few of those. This is 3, and then even 4. Now, actually, out of curiosity, just to open one of these up and smell it. That smells really good. It smells like orange creamsicle, which is one of my favorite things in the world. So already, that is just amazing already. So next in the bucket, we have an all-purpose interior cleaning gel. This is supposed to be just a sort of like general use, not very hard on your surfaces type of cleaner. You can dilute it if you want it to, or you can just use it like that, straight from the bottle. Something that I'm personally excited for is a matte detailer. As you guys know, my car is satin green, so I can't use just anything to clean the car. So I have to use specific to matte detailers. So I'm excited to use this one, see what kind of results it yields. Oh, this is kind of cool. So 2 things in one came out of there right now. We got a clay mitt. Clay mitt is a clay bar essentially, but one that you can wear on your hand. It is good for removing contaminants, things like water spots, any sort of debris that might be falling from the air, things like that. And then we also have a swirl and scratch finder light. Now, I'm not a professional detailer, so I'm not gonna be using this for its intended purpose. I'll probably use it as a flashlight around the house, but it's cool that they included it. H2o Garden Gloss. I've never used this product before. I've heard nothing but good things about it. I believe it's supposed to be a sort of longer lasting protection against water, kind of like a ceramic, but not necessarily a ceramic type of wax or coating. Just something that adds like that extra layer of protection to your glossy paint. We've got another detail spray. This one, of course, is for, my basic people out there, the pumpkin spice. Let's see how true that is. I can't even open it. There we go. So, first impressions, it smells like pumpkin. It smells a little bit more like spice. This one is Ultra Foam Shampoo. Pretty standard. You put it in your foam cannon. It's supposed to shampoo your car. I wonder what this one smells like. Ooh. I don't like grape drinks or anything like that, like fake grape, but this smells really good. Leather conditioner, because you know your boy got that leather interior, so I got to make sure I lather it up. That smells really good too. I mean, it smells like leather, but a really good leather. Buttery wax. Buttery wax is supposed to add that extra gloss to your already glossy car. This smells like banana. Okay. I don't have a glossy car that I can do it on for myself, but I can definitely use this on Marley's car and see what kind of results or animals it might attract because of that super sweet smell. Wheel and tire cleaner, you guys. This is essential in any kit for detailing your car. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now the smell is not on par with anything that we've already smelled. However, this is an all-in-one formula, so it doesn't smell like their usual formula, like rotten eggs. But this one is supposed to be like the best of both worlds. So
I'm laughing because this just turned into a smell test.
Now, the bottle on this one got a little bit of extra love. This is the iron remover with a big old dent in it, but I'm just curious because technically, well, not technically, but the super chemical-y products smell like super chemical. Yep. This one is no exception to that rule. And then finally, the last bottle in our bucket today is Tire Shine. Again, an essential thing that you need in every detailing kit just to make sure that your rubber is looking a little bit nice. And of course, you know your boy's gonna smell it. I can mess with this. This smells like banana too. I'll take it. I will take it. We actually have a couple more things in the bucket. We've got a couple sprayers, you know, standard assortment of sprayers. And then we also have a couple of stickers. Well, more than a couple of stickers. We've got an air freshener. And then we have another air freshener, the one that goes into your vent, your AC vent. So yeah, this is pretty cool. This is a lot of stuff that we got in our bucket. I'm super excited to try a lot of this stuff on actually my own car and then Marley's car and then of course our little Fiat. I think so far out of everything, my favorite smell, because this kind of became a smell test here, is going to be the detail spray, the Welcome Home detail spray. I love orange creamsicle. That's like my favorite smell on anything. So they nailed that one down pretty good. Other than that, we're going to try these all and stick around so you can see, you know, future videos of all that stuff. So other than that, one last surprise, the bucket is actually a seat. I just have to get everything off of the seat cover. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.